Let's install the battery first. Open the back. Pull up. Load the film. Pull down. Pull across. Advance the film so that it hooks onto grooves. Ready to take photo. Turn right the wheel until it stops. Press shutter, take a photo. Open flash button. Turn right the wheel until it stops. The number on the film counter is spinning. Press shutter and flash is working. Again. Flash is working. One more time. At this time, if we turn off the flash button, the LED capacitor still has power, so the flash will flash one more time, and then no flash. Take next photo. Flash is not working. Again. No flash. If we turn on the flash button again, the flash will work. Take a photo. Flash is working. After the film roll is completed, hold down this rewind button and turn the wheel clockwise to rewind the film. Open back. Pull up. Remove the film and drop it off at your local processing lab.